Realize that you are not Secretary of State, but in the debate next Monday evening, how would Secretary Clinton respond to somewhat of a version of the following question? We've had a relief convoy bombed.
We interrupt our programming. This is a national emergency. The following is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. At 4:20 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, an assassination attempt was made against Prince Harambe at a campaign event in Cincinnati, Ohio. The perpetrators are unknown and still at large. All residents of the continental United States are urged to seek shelter immediately. Stay in your homes. Close all doors and windows. Turn off air conditioning, heating, and electricity. Put as much distance between yourself and the outside as possible. Take your dicks out. Do not put your dicks back in until instructed by local authorities.